Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 272 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is about trusting your own pace, letting go of comparison, and allowing yourself to move through life in your own rhythm. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale slowly. With each breath, remind yourself that you are not behind, you are not late. You are exactly where you need to be. Now, say to yourself, I trust my journey. I move at my own pace, and my timing is enough. Keep breathing gently. Allow this sense of trust to settle within you. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the present and carry this trust with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.